Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 3 of the drilling engineering, and in this week we're gonna go over on more systems. Remember we talked about the power system, the hoisting system, and we did some calculations regarding those systems. Today in this video I'm gonna start talking about the circulating system, so please read the whole chapter 1. Not for this week, but I don't think we will finish chapter 1 this week. We probably will try to finish it either by next week or in next 2 weeks, but try to start reading this chapter and learn more about different topics in that chapter. The homework, I'll post it on your weekly plan, and that would be for the end of next week, not this week, but I think the deadline is not correct here. The deadline should be September 13, I believe. Anyway, alright, so the next part is circulating system, and the major function of the circulating system is to remove the rock cuttings from the bottom of the wellbore, right? So as we drill, the drill bit cut those cuttings, right? And we have to find a way to bring those cuttings to the surface, and the circulating system do that by circulating the drilling fluid through the drill pipe, and then through the drill bit, and then removing those cuttings from the bottom of the wellbore, bring it up through the annulus, right? So the circulating system have multiple components. So and drilling mud, which is a suspension of clay, as we discussed in the drilling fluid lab, travels starting from the steel tank. So there are tanks that store. Let me see if I can see a figure of that here. Yeah, you see that this is a mud tank, right? That's where the drilling fluid stored initially, right? Once you make your drilling fluid is going to be in the mud tank, and from these mud tanks it goes to the mud pumps. So it travels from here to the mud pumps. Mud pumps are pumps that inject the drilling fluid with a certain rate or pressure through the and then the mud will travel through a pipe which is called a standpipe. And these are the surface connections, and these surface connections are standpipe and rotary hose. It goes there, comes here through the, again still this part are the surface equipment. So from, let's say from here, anything on the top is surface equipment, and the drilling fluid travels from mud tank again here to the pump through these surface facilities, and then go into the drill string, passes through the drill string or drill pipe, right? And then it goes all the way into the drilling bit, remove the cuttings, travels up through the annulus, right? So then finally, once it reaches to the surface, it goes back here, and there are screening shakers that removes the contaminant, because the mud is now contaminated with the solids, with other salt, some other things, and they will try to remove those things from the drilling fluid, put it back into the mud tank, and then it's going to circulate, right? So this is an overall system of the circulating system for drilling fluid. You can see it here as well. Here as well it shows the mud pump, you can see it here, right? And you see the bulk storage of the mud tank, right? And this is not the mud tank, this is the storage of the solids, clay that you have, and then you put it into these mixing hoppers, and once you mix them, put it into the pump, mud pump, right? Here is the tank, and so if I show it here, mud tank, the mud tank goes to the mud, attached to the mud pump injected through the standpipe, through the swivel through the mud hose and goes all the way into the drill string through the bit, goes back, comes here. The degasser, desander, desilter, all these are to remove the gas, remove the solids, remove the sands from the drilling fluid, and then put it back into the mud tank, right? So this is overall the schematic, the way that the drilling circulating system works. So I think that's it for this video, and in next video I'm going to start talking about the mud pumps.